Yeah, so this is just like a quick tour through the help guides that we have for ARIA. I will also get a bit of feedback later on from all of you about how often people actually use these as well, because that'd be really interesting for us on how we can make these better. But if I just quickly rip through these now. So the help guides, just for those who maybe haven't seen them, we have help guides for all different areas of ARIA, or at least we have help guides for the different people that use ARIA, whether they're users, reviewers, moderators, facility people, whoever it might be. A bit like the slide that Marcus showed in his presentation at the beginning, the shock and awe slide of all the features that we have help guides for all of those features, depending on what type of user of ARIA you are. Finding those, then you can find all of the help guides on the Instruct website. We have the big orange help button, which you can find anywhere, wherever you might be on the Instruct site. But we also have the ARIA page, which you can find on the Instruct site as well. This page has a number of different, there's a bit of a switchboard for a few different things. It's where you can log into and access your ARIA account. You can find all of our services. You can take a look at our introductory video, which was done by Marcus, and also you can access the help guides down there as well. You can also find the help guides in ARIA itself. So if you find yourself on the main dashboard page, which you can access with the top left button on the left hand side of the screen, from there you can find this page, and then you can have that link there, which will take you to all of the help guides. So there's a number of different ways that you can find the guides if you are having trouble in ARIA. If you're trying to find something specifically in ARIA, you need to find help with it, you can get to them through that as well. So like I said, we've got help guides on all sorts of different areas of ARIA. For example, then I think a number of people in here are facility managers and service operators. So we have a number of guides for those. So if you were to click through it, you then have options for a lot of generic ARIA guides for how to actually set it up and manage and edit your profile, but also a lot more specific guides then for machines, workflows, or any of the other things that come with being, whether it's in the reviewer or moderator section as well. So there's a number of different guides that you can get, and these guides just take you through the step-by-step process. We have screenshots, we have links and text, just to simply and easily walk you through how to go about your business on ARIA, basically. So they're a really useful tool for anybody who uses ARIA. You know, sometimes we have to use them just to remind ourselves how to actually do some of the bits and bobs, because it is such a wide resource, is ARIA. We also have our FAQs. These are for the proposal submissions. These aren't necessarily quite as specific for some of the people that are on this call, but they do exist. And they are just a quick, easy to find feature in there as well. You can get to them again via the orange help button or through that URL there into your address bar. So as I said, I would like to know who uses our help guides. So I have set up a poll, which would be really great if I could get people to fill this in. I'm going to press launch, and I really hope that this works. So I'm hoping that everybody can see this on their screens. Can I get confirmation from anybody? Okay, pretty good. So if you're able to just fill in your answers being as honest as possible, would be great. And it will just give us an idea of how many people actually use the guides, and B, how best we can improve them going forwards. So I'm not 100% sure how the polls work. I cannot tell if people have been filling it in so far.
Yeah, we're getting responses in, John.
Oh, that's interesting. Okay, mine just says 0%.
I think it's because you're screen sharing.
That makes sense.
More or less half the people have 11 out of 23. We are not counting here.
I think it shows how many people are listening. if you are here, please do answer it. It's very
Yeah,
helpful to
I'll
us.
give you another few seconds to answer, but this was always going to be a small sample size, but even that could be revealing anyway. I don't know if the answers are coming up on yours as well, because I can't see the answer. Oh, they are. Okay, good. Well, I might have to take your word for it on what the answers actually are. I didn't think it wouldn't tell me what the poll is. What number are we up to now?
It's still 12 out of 23. We have 11 people that are not paying attention.
That's fine. I think we might have plateaued at 12 then. Okay, so if I press,
We've got 14 now. We've got 14 now.
Tell you what, it says 1 minute and 40, so I'll give you 20 more seconds and then we'll close the poll. My hope is that if I press end poll, that won't remove all the results. We'll see.
I take a screenshot.
Yeah, that'd be great. Thank you very much.
Done.
That'll be perfect. Okay, I shall press end poll. Cool. Yeah, I cannot see the answers. If someone could read those out, that'd be wonderful.
Then we have 8 out of 12 people used help guides.
Okay.
They're more or less half and half. And what type of help guides they prefer? 64% prefer text with screenshots. 21% prefer text with videos. And now nobody prefers video only.
Okay.
And 14% prefer direct contact.
Okay. So that's probably what we were kind of hoping for and expecting, I suppose, that yes, the help guides are being used in their current form is probably also the most effective way to get across how to get across the information. We asked about the video thing. Is that something we've considered putting together for some of the more dynamic areas of ARIA, just to make it more visually clear how to actually get through some of the trickier steps. But yeah, we'll bear that in mind. Thank you everybody for participating in the poll. Glad that worked as well as it did. A final thing then, just some of the other resources that we do have. Speaking of video, we do also have some webinars on ARIA, including one which is a walkthrough of some of the specific ARIA features, which you can get to through the webinars link. We have an ARIA for Corbel users video on the website as well. Yeah, so like I said, that's just a quick run through some of the help guides and some of the other ways that you can get help on ARIA, because like I said, we're generally available to help, but sometimes not, and the help guides are all there to help everybody navigate the system. Okay, thank you very much. If there are any questions about any of that, let me know.